Today, 1 in 5 Americans suffer from a form of tinnitus, a condition in which sufferers complain of a constant ringing or hissing in the ear, sometimes both. It can affect quality of life where those with the condition are not able to sleep, concentrate, and for many they are unable to hear at all. Many of these individuals are flocking to internet to better understand this condition, the side effects, current treatments, and what others have had to say about living with the condition. In the most extreme cases, sufferers have killed themselves over the screeching sounds in the head. Knowing what to expect and the treatments that are available will provide information that will assist you in choosing the treatment that is right for you. Noise-induced tinnitus is the most common from and many times develops after a rock concert. This condition can also be found in factory workers, construction workers, or any other individuals who work in a noisy environment. As with all cures and remedies, there are videos, websites, testimonials, and recommendations who are all focused on touting the miracle cure. Beware of quick promises and fast fixes. The symptoms and signs of tinnitus can be relieved, and through tinnitus remedy, you will never have to look no further. I am sure by now, if you are a tinnitus sufferer, the last thing you want to hear are these so-called miracle cures and fake medicine. Suffering from this condition can drive one crazy, and seeking immediate relief is what is on many of your minds. So let's go over what we do know and don't know about tinnitus, and then I will introduce you to a treatment that has worked for many. Whether your condition is mild, moderate, or severe, effective treatment is not far away, and we can introduce you to a remedy that has proven effective for others and will be just as effective for you. The constant ringing or hissing in the ears can be irritating, maddening, and really have a detrimental impact in your life, as your ability to sleep well and your ability to concentrate are many times overwhelmed by tinnitus. In a rush for quick treatments and fast fixes, desperation becomes part of the equation, as relief from the symptoms and suffering is all that is needed. There are many holistic or home remedies out there that claim to work, whether it's utilizing a hearing aid to balance out what is being heard, listening to various sounds at variable pitches, or dropping a medicinal oil in your ear that purports to be the best of the best. However, as promising as it sounds, today there is no known cure, but general relief is available to neutralize the ringing and or hissing. We have spent enough time talking about the miracle cures and fake medicine out there that it is important to understand that there are legitimate cures out there. One that has proven to be most effective and has helped thousands, with a 3-step process, and within 10 days you can be free of tinnitus, regaining and taking control of your life again and never having to face it again.